What is a metaverse and how it is related to investing? That's a topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets Learning series. Before we begin, I have an update for you. As part of Market Secrets Learning Initiative, we are running various learning series on algo trading, price action trading, and investing and trading strategies. So if you are interested in any of it, check out our website. Also, we are providing multiple data feeds for traders, especially for the option traders. So if you are an active trader, you might find it immensely helpful. So check out our data feeds if you are interested. All the details about it is available in our website, which is www.marketsecrets.in. And with that note, let's jump into today's session on Metaverse. What is a metaverse? A metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection, and it can be defined as a simulated digital environment that uses augmented reality, virtual reality, and blockchain, along with the concepts from the social media to create spaces for rich user interaction mimicking the real world. So, in simple terms, it's a 3D world where you can do anything that you want. It covers nearly everything, such as games, meetings, and shoppings. To access Metaverse, you must first put on the headset, after which you can connect to the virtual reality interface. You may ask, what Metaverse has to do with investing? Simple. Almost every transaction in the metaverse happens with a digital currency in the form of cryptos and tokens. Also, metaverse is built using digital assets and NFTs form a major chunk of those digital assets. So let's go further into the details. There are multiple metaverses being created by various companies. Each metaverse has its own set of rules. Likewise, the assets, NFTs, and cryptocurrencies used in each of these metaverses varies as well. You can buy a land in the metaverse, build a gym, or build a bar, which will create virtual asset in the form of NFTs. Of course, you need to pay for the land and the building using the cryptos. And just like any physical bar or gym, you can collect membership fee from your customers and sell stuffs and earn cryptos. This all feels like a game, isn't it? Like I mentioned earlier, cryptocurrencies are the metaverse's money, and each metaverse has its own set of coins. They are used for paying everything, including NFTs, virtual real estate, avatars, and more. If you are a crypto miner, then it makes sense to at least give this a shot. Otherwise, you need to convert your hard earned money in dollars, euros, rupees into crypto, and then you can use it to buy these digital assets. This digital world can cease to exist in a second, so it doesn't make any sense to go this route. If the company that runs the metaverse you are invested in shuts the shop, all your investments are gone in a flash. Like I said earlier, I would personally treat this just as another game on the internet, nothing more. So, what about you? Have you tried any metaverses? How was your experience? Have you ever bought any property in the metaverse? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you have any queries about metaverse and buying digital assets and NFTs, please leave it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to address and answer it. Also hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Your motivation in the form of feedback is really important for us, so please do leave a comment if you find this video useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.